Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Neha from channel Nesia Crochet, and welcome to episode 5 of our beginner to pro crochet classes. And in this episode, since I have already covered the chain making in previous video, I hope you have practiced the way how we make the proper chains, and only if you are smooth enough in making chain, then only you should watch this video ahead. Now after making the chain, next part is doing single crochet stitches. For that we will make the knot again. I have explained you how to make the knot in previous video. Now we have worked. You should be this smooth in making the chains now. So begin with making 10 chains into your hook. Okay, once you will make this 10 chain, you are starting, I know, so you can pause the video for now and complete these 10 chains. Okay, if you are still struggling, then go and watch the previous episode first and start making the chains first. Practice it and then come back in this video. Now we have 10 chains. Make one more chain because we are going to skip this one. So make one more chain. This is 11th chain. Now for single crochet we are going to skip this chain. This 11th chain we are going to skip. Now see, you can see the chains very easily like this. Now we are going to skip this chain, and into the second chain we will insert our hook like this into first loop. These are the loops. See, these are the loops. These are different loops in which we are working. So now insert your hook in this chain, second chain, first we have skipped, and then yarn over like this and then pull from this chain. Now we have 2 loops into the hook. Now again yarn over and then pull out of these 2 loops. So this is single crochet. This is called second step after the chain, like after the chain work you do in crochet. That is the first step and this is second step. So we have to work 2 times for every stitch. For example, first time we insert our hook into the chain, then we pull the yarn over and pull the yarn. Now for second time into these 2 loops we yarn over and pull for the second time. So this is called one single crochet stitch. Now this way we have made total 2 single crochet stitches. Now into the third chain also we will insert our hook, yarn over, pull, and out of these 2 loops yarn over and pull again. This is third. Now into the fourth chain insert. This is how you will hold your work, the chain part, like this. On finger you are taking this yarn, and with these thumb and this finger you are holding the work like this, so that it will give you sturdy stitches. Okay, otherwise if you leave it like this, then how you are going to work? You will not be able to work. You should hold this work also simultaneously. Now pull and then yarn over and pull. Okay, again insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull. Now out of these 2 loops yarn over and pull. For next, insert, pull, yarn over and pull. Don't skip any of the stitches. Always work crochet with counting. You should always be good in counting while you are crocheting. You cannot skip any stitch, or you cannot work double on any stitch, otherwise it will mess the entire work. Okay, so this is our seventh loop. Here we are pulling and then pull. Insert into the 8th chain, yarn over, pull, and then pull again. Insert into the 9th chain, yarn over, pull, and then pull again. Insert into the 10th chain, yarn over, pull, and then pull again. Okay, so we have completed all 10 single crochet stitches. How you can count the stitches is with these loops on the top. You see these loops? Now you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So all 10 stitches done. So this is how it looks. This is the second step and this is how it looks. We made 11 chains, we skipped one, and we have made 10 single crochets on top of every chain. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed learning with me and you understood how to make these single crochets. Now you can increase the chains like this. This is the corner and we will only do chain 1 to increase the row. Chain 1. Now always turn your work. This way you cannot work in same side. Now we'll have to turn the work, and now on top of these loops we will work. Insert our hook like this, pull, and top of this we'll work another single crochet. Now insert here into the second loop. These are the loops. Now here we can insert our hook like this. Now insert, pull, again pull, insert, pull, again pull. So always remember that you are inserting into this last row loops. Do not insert into this chain loop. Okay, always insert in the top loop like this, and then you can keep on working. So for this episode today, I would want you to make the single crochets as many as you can. Practice increasing the rows, like practice this as much as you can. Every corner, when you are reaching every corner and you want to increase a row, then always do chain 1 and then start doing the next row, and try to make 10 rows for single crochet. Okay, this is the second row, right? So just like this, try to make 10 rows, and then you should have a good practice and do as much as you can, as much practice as you can. And then I will meet you in next video. In next video we will learn half double crochet. Now after this stitch we have half double crochet. Okay, so I will show you the half double crochet in next video. Until then, watch this video many times as you want and learn this part very carefully. Okay, then only jump on to the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll meet you in episode 6. Thank you.